Speech 1. Good morning to everyone. Today we celebrate the 77th anniversary of India's independence. This is a day to remember the sacrifices made by our freedom fighters and to recommit ourselves to the ideals of democracy, equality, and justice. We have come a long way since 1947, but there is still much work to be done. We must continue to fight for the rights of all Indians, regardless of their caste, religion, or gender. We must also work to eradicate poverty, illiteracy, and inequality. But I am confident that we can achieve these goals if we work together. We are a strong and resilient nation, and we will not be defeated. Happy Independence Day. Lot of thanks.